Oh man, you should get something in a minute, Mark.
Okay. Tesla's up 66% year to date.
Wow.
They're talking about it on the news right now. I guess the reason it's all going up today in EVs is they revamped the EV tax credit.
Wow.
So that's why all the EVs are going up. Oh, is that why? Yep. Yeah, they're talking about it right now. They revamped the. Yep. Because even Rivian, it's up.
Yeah, Lucid.
6%. Yep.
Lucid is up too.
At least we know there was actually news for it now.
Yeah.
Okay. And I heard that Tesla's still down compared to most other stocks that have rebounded. Tesla's one of the laggards, so there's still a lot of upward potential when it does rebound. So it's still in a downward turn. It's been going down since October. Zenmoth is also an EMPA, moving up a little bit.
Wow. Unbelievable. EMPH was it, man. EMPH was the stuff. Played better than Tesla.
Fact.
Let me get some out of EMPH right now. 3/4 out. I'll take that. EMPH, what a great trade. Took it off the top to 1170. Ride it all the way to the bottom. 212 and 205, it's the range that it traveled in today. I was hoping that it comes back down here and break that, come back down to 205. Now, if it goes back up, it gotta fill this gap, right? Remember the gap? Let's see if we can fill in here. It's gonna include it's a small one. But it's a small one. It's not a big one, but small enough. If it breaks through that, then we're looking at the VWAP on that. Right at that 209.15.
And it goes up to what, 209.40?
Yeah, 55, yeah. Yeah. And then you got the VWAP to contest with right there. So
yeah.
I would watch that level right there on EMPH. It already came down and closed it already, so the next one would be closing it, going back up.
Yeah, VWAP on Thinkorswim's 209.87.
I got 209.90 on my VWAP.
Oh, so we're close to that.
Yeah. That was a great trade. Got almost 7 out of that.
Can't ask for more than that.
No, no, no.
Nvidia, if it breaks under this 276.75, looks good.
NVDA.
Yep.
$276.80 right here, right now. Could get 80 cents out of that to 276. Anything below that, you're good. From right where it's at to 276. This would be that would be your profit window there. If you look on YouTube, you'll see what I'm talking about there. That area on YouTube.
Oh, you're on YouTube now?
Yeah, you'll see what I'm talking about.
Yeah, that worked.
Yeah, so this would be your profit window here. This would be your target, and then you got the VWAP, the next one, the next support area on that. Which if you look over here, look at the top here. So you got to break through this area for more downside, and then you got to deal with the next one. Very tight ones, but you know, it's potential here if it breaks down. Okay?
For sure.
Yeah. So 3/4 here. And then put your stop loss at your entry, and then if it breaks down below, then you put your partial right here, and then your profit will be in that profit window, and then that's it. It does whatever it does after that. If you see anything, go ahead, post it so we could look at it. You can watch NVIDIA, see how that works here.
Yeah, I was waiting to take it till it got below that 276.72. There we go.
So if you're gonna do NVIDIA, so you take NVIDIA here, right? Your stop loss is going to be, it could be this higher candle here, or you want to go higher at the top, vice versa, right? Depends on your risk tolerance on this trade, right?
Yeah.
You could go to 278, or you could go to the top, or you could go to this candle, the top of this candle here, the next resistance. So that's how I would treat NVIDIA to the downside. And if it reversed, we'll take it over 278. It's Friday again, remember. Tesla. Here come Tesla again one more time. 205.40. So I like those areas here in Tesla. Boom, 205.50. And then below this 204.75, okay? That's the range for Tesla.
Again, you got in at 206.13 on Tesla.
Yeah.
I thought I was good with my 205.34.
So I'm done with Tesla.
Yeah, pulling back up.
Just for a little bit. Tesla was strong today. And just be patient, just be patient. Welcome, 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 welcome. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, let you know when I post a video. Okay? Happy Friday to everybody out there. You're making money. Way to end the month of March. The weekend starts the month of April. See anything, anybody, just go ahead and just post it or just say it out so we could look at that. Anything else? About to clear up these charts. MU. Finish with MU. MU. Go watch MU through the VWAP if you decide. MU. MU at 61. LOG. Finish with the partial on LOG. Alright. Look at PTGX now, Mark. Came right back up to 23. Never came down to 17. GRRR. Flirting around with that $5 there. What a great breakdown on GRRR. Look at that. Support down here. Make the break at 11:55. 11:55. Great. EMPH. Guys see anything? Netflix wanna break that 343. Wow. 343 on Netflix. 343.70. See, that's why we wait on NVIDIA, right, Sean? We wait on NVIDIA.
Yeah. It's just bouncing more right there.
Mm-hmm. The trend still hasn't changed, even though it pulled back. The trend still hasn't changed. Not yet.
Still hanging on here, Tesla.
Yeah, I have a little bit, yeah. We got to get over that 205.50 though. Netflix got to break this 242.75. We're getting 75 cents out of that if it breaks. $242.75. 205.50 Tesla. There she goes. Okay. There she goes. Wow, Mr. Tesla. Alright, I'm done. Tesla was a good run. 206 this time though. You watching Tesla? So 206. Then watch Tesla at 206. We could bang it through 206 here. 1 minute before this candle finish here. Let me see where it's gonna go. We could play it. I'm gonna play it.
I might as well be my fifth time in it.
Thank you, Mark. Congratulations. Sheesh. Wow, man. Wow. I never thought I was on this mission for 2023. I wasn't. Thank you, Sean. 30 cents to go.
So you're waiting for that 206, right?
Yeah. Well, that 5 minute got to finish over that 206. We got 4 minutes to go. If it breaks it before that, then we could get it 20 cents to go. Already broke the 205.50. And the stop loss would be, it could be the support area here, or you could go here. This one here on Tesla. Okay? I mean, I have a bigger risk tolerance, so my stop loss where we would be 204.75. Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right, 3 cents to go. Let's do it. Right here, 9 cents. Okay, stop loss in place.
Alright, what I missed? How to just got back in Tesla long. Okay, that's everything. That's everything. Oh, I'm already in. I guess I didn't miss it.
Look at
Oh,
this.
did you get in on the bottom? 205. Nice.
Look at this, Sean.
There, you got it, eh?
And,
Excellent. How you guys caught it?
and boom, there you go. 3/4 out. That's it. That's it. That's it. Say no more. That's how we do it, Sean. That's how we do it. That's it. 3/4 out. That's beautiful.
They say practice makes perfect, but I say proper practice makes perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. I battled Tesla for hours and lose, and then Sin comes in like, now, within 2 minutes, boom.
There you go. There you go, baby. That's it.
Practice when you're right, it becomes second nature.
We don't play around, man. We don't play around. We don't came to this thing here to play around, okay? you go. I'll put my Tesla at my 205.93. Yeah, and that's it. 205.93. I'm done. It comes back, break back. So what?
Yeah, 55 is what I had. Nice.
Huh?
Wow. Nice.
Beautiful. I mean, if I want, I could put it right here and put it right at 205 and lose 40 cents. We could do that. But why give it up on a Friday? Come back to my entry and I'll be done with the rest of that trade.
Yeah. It
That
usually runs after 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so if it doesn't run, then we'll get out.
That's it. And for that, that's what we do. That's what we do. That's what we do.
We're going to give it back.
Nah, not gonna give it back. The idea is green, take it. Now, if I gave it a bigger stop loss, I have room for it to run, right? You can. It's all up to you. But I'm saying on this play right here, I'm going to take advantage with the strength into the strength of the stop, right? Take three quarters out and move my stop loss to my entry. So if it pulls back down, then I don't lose anything at all. If I give it a buffer, then I'll lose a little bit of the profit that I made. But I don't want to do that. So those are the decisions going into the trade. You're saying, okay, where's my stop loss going to be and where's my target? Okay, boom, boom, boom. We're showing it, boom, we execute, boom, we're done. That's it. Move on to something else that have a better, let's go to EMPH. Okay, look at EMPH. Let me get out of EMPH. I missed that one while we were messing around with Tesla. Let me get out of EMPH. Okay. Yeah. So it's right there. It's 24 cents out. I'm not going to chase it. I mean, you can if you want. If it had pulled back a little bit, maybe we could get it to go back in.
Just pull back to 209.11. Like on that Tesla trade, it was never pulling back, right?
Right. It just goes straight. Yeah.
I think a lot of times they'll buy as it's pulling back, and that's my problem. You're buying the dip, and then the dip dips. Yeah, instead of just buying into the strength. When I heard them view the strength, I think I've already missed the entry, but I haven't. If you're watching for with the strength, then yeah. But if you looked at it already, then yeah, right, okay. But it still has potential, possibly. You gotta play all that out. Yeah, sure. Which is why I like setting it up ahead of time, so I don't have to stop and think about all that. I just push the button. I just hit new high day.
Okay. You go to EMPH. I mean, I could have got it back on that pullback at that 209.11, and that would have been great. But I was watching that Tesla. And then keep eye on EMPH. So this is your profit window, right, on EMPH? Look.
Yeah.
That's your profit window. Closing the gap. And and here we go on Tesla. Okay, we take another partial off Tesla. Okay, secure that. Look at the partial now. Secure the partial on Tesla. Took 300 off, right? Here we go. Partial on a partial. Okay?
You are the master. I'll tell you. It is, man.
And then 206 becomes my buffer now, right? 206.05. And look, this is my entry. So I'm in a win-win situation regardless. Okay? 206.05. It could do whatever it wants to do from this point on. It's okay. Alright? I get my alert, I'm out.
When you're entering it next week, always just go in market order and just listen to the shares.
Yes. I don't.
Really don't care.
I don't. It don't matter.
On the bid or that.
Yeah, it don't matter. Because I'm watching that ass right now. It's at 206.60.
Yeah, I think I changed those few cents. And that cost me a lot of damage in the long run.
Yeah, no need. Let that partial do the rest for you. The biggest thing is try to get out into the strength of the stock, that 3/4, out in the move of the stock. Unless you want to wait, you could wait. It don't matter. Just move your stop loss up, knowing that you're not going to give up that 3/4 or you're going to give up that full share, right? So we're managing Tesla. So now I could move Tesla up to 206.28, right? Even a bigger buffer. Okay, we're just working with Tesla right now. I'm not even worrying about NVIDIA, right? Let's go in NVIDIA and see what NVIDIA is all about. EMPH. Look at EMPH. Ooh wee. Look at that. Come on. So you target through that to that, it's 209.63, right? Come on. This is what we do here, Sean. Now, watch this, Sean. I'm going to take another partial on Tesla. And it's not going to hurt me at all, right? Okay. Still have that buffer of. Yeah. Absolutely. It will come. Trust me. It's coming. Hopefully by the end of this year, man. Next year we'll be talking something different. I hope you guys are around to enjoy that other half of it.
I'll be around.
And that's it. So we 30, like 31, 36 cents in profit, right? Yeah, 36 cents in profit on a partial, on top of a partial. All right, let's go back to EMPH. Look at EMPH now. Look at EMPH closing the gap, right? So we were talking about EMPH closing, give you a gap to the upside, right? we recognize that gap and say, okay, it's come back down, it filled that gap, right? And we set up for it for another gap fill. So create a gap in the day, fill the gap back down, and now we fill in the gap going back up. Twice in one day, a stock fills its gap. We took advantage of that. Anybody that took advantage of that, but we set it up. So no one can say we didn't set this up ahead of time, right? We did it way before it even break down and break up. Here you go. You benefit off in it now. And all you had to do was sit and wait for this to develop, right? You didn't have to do anything else. You didn't have to fight the trade at all. You didn't have to guess where it's gonna go. We knew where it's gonna go as long as it changed direction. And here's what we're looking for. Did it. 3 quarters out. You should be moving your partial here and then let the rest ride up through the VWAP. If it does, great. If it doesn't, you made your money already and your stop loss is at your entry. And that is done with. This is perfectly executed right here. And these are some of the things talking about Zoom we're going to be doing in Zoom, right? These are what I'm looking for. This is what I'm setting up for to be profitable in that moment, right?
It builds our confidence when we can execute better trades with you, and then we're more confident doing our own.
Absolutely. So you see this pullback here on it could pull back. We already 3 quarters out. It was EMPH and Tesla we were doing Edward. So that was perfectly executed on EMPH and on Tesla.
Yeah, otherwise I hesitate. Second guess myself, not get in late or get out too early. It's better to keep my confidence up. You've been killing Tesla today, though. You've been ahead of us all. Yeah, and again, it's because my confidence was up from pre-market even before we even started today. I was like, I got some good trades. And I'm like, okay, let's go.
That's it.
I'm like, I can't do nothing right.
That's it. This is what happened with Netflix, Sean. Look at Netflix. 304. That's 304. That's a partial. I just took another partial today. Look at it now. So why give up that position if the stock is way above? It's not going to drop 20% just like that. Worst case scenario will drop 15 or 10. And so be it. You come out at 10 and profit the other 10. I did that with NVIDIA. I got out. I could have kept it.
Yeah, because Ricky probably got in at what, 195 your first pre-market?
Yeah.
Somewhere around there. Yeah, right. Yeah. So you could have left it.
Yeah, could have.
Kept it going, you know?
Yeah, absolutely.
I probably should have. That's where the confidence comes to leave it and let it run. And I was scared. Oh, it's pulling back. I better get out. Or you guys are going short. I better get out. You know, it's coming down. Those kind of things. But at that stage, you didn't care because it had to get back to, 195 for you to lose on that partial.
Right.
But I'm scared to even lose anything. So then I shouldn't do that.
And again, it's a partial. You already come out 3 quarters. You know. What you gotta change is, and what I start changing is that I'm not gonna get everything, and I allow the market to take some back, because at the end of the day, I'm gonna get it back, right? She gives, she takes, right? So I want to be more on the taking side than the giving side, right? So even if I took my 3/4 out and the partial's still running, I'm gonna move my stop loss up to where even the buffer is, even if it comes back and I'm losing, say, but look what the buffer is. It's another 50 cents. I'd rather have a 50-cent buffer than at my entry. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you're right. I was thinking of that this week, that I never get out at the top, but if I try to get out too soon, then I miss the rest of the run.
And that's okay if you miss the rest of the run. Let it run.
I think most people's problem is that they're trying to bottom tick and top tick. They're trying to catch the bottom, trying to catch the bottom.
Yeah.
That's not your problem. Right? All you need is the meat of the move.
That's it. We just kept it, and Tesla was perfect on that trade right there. That's a perfect example of what you just said, Edwin. We took it right through that, and we capitalized on the strength of the stock going in.
90%, and then be happy with your win. I think we sometimes we beat ourselves up because it keeps running, and then we're like, oh, we shouldn't have got out. Yeah, you're right. That's you left the winner. You won. You executed that. You wanted to execute.
And that's it.
Yeah, I'll have to watch because Alibaba and JD are planning new IPOs because they're gonna split up the companies.
Okay.
That doesn't say when yet, but
Keep us posted on that.
if you remember, there's many times that says, he's in a partial long. He'll say, if you want to short it here, but I won't. I entry. And it's so long while we're short, right? Well, we can take a point and a half short. If you're still in a long from 3 points ago, why are you gonna liquidate?
Right.
You're right, because I remember doing that a few times. We were opposite each other. We both made money. That does it all the time. Keep this partial running till this stop loss is in between. If you want to short it, he'll give us the numbers. It's all a part of the psychological part of it. I know. It's easier to repeat than to do. Because you're just going to be scalping it when you're actually like holding it. Yep. You're in a beautiful position. I'd rather be in that position. 3/4 out in a partial. Yeah, you're in the worry-free position. Yep, lose.
And here we go with Tesla. Done with Tesla, so I'm out because I gotta give my room up. Tesla under 206. Yeah, 206. I like 206 short on.
So that's another exit strategy. I gotta give the room up. I gotta get out there. There you go. I'm just looking like, what? You getting out? He's done? Oh, he's gotta give the room up.
So
There's always tomorrow.
yeah, Monday.
He's looking at 25 room managers, Mike. It's that time. It's traffic time.
Yeah. So that's that right there, 206. Just watch that, and your stop loss would be the high. But Tesla is in a run right now. Okay, it's above the 70 RSI. Could pull back to the support 206 and then bounce again and end up higher into close. But I will watch this here, 206 down to 204. We've been here before. Okay. So that's the $2 range now, right? We went the $2 range. We trade that $2 range up. Now to reverse, it's that $2 range to come back down at that 206 to 204. Anything you guys want me to look at before I go? I just look at it. I got 6 minutes. Anything you guys see I want to look at?
Check out
Which one?
Amazon. That's another one that hasn't recovered like the rest of the market has. They're still down like 44% compared to all the other stocks. So they potentially have room to run.
Yeah.
They're going to catch up with the recovery. Of course, that 100 price was a psychological barrier, but we're over it now.
Amazon got to break through this support area here. Showing that 102. If you want 102, that's the support area for that. Amazon, and then you got the VWAP break. If you're gonna play through the VWAP, then this 102 would be your target. Okay?
Sure.
Yeah. So VWAP would be one of your VWAP play, break through the VWAP, right? And your target would be 102. If it's gonna use the VWAP and bounce, then you'll get it over 103. Okay?
Beautiful.
That's how I would. That's how I would play that.
Do you put the stop at the high of the day or the last?
Well, how I would play it if I'm looking at Amazon to break down, I would go to the third big red candle, right? So that would lessen my loss, right? If I go to high of the day, then I give it a lot more room. It just depends on your risk tolerance, right? But if I'm trading smart, this is what I'm doing. I'm going here because there's hardly any movement in Amazon right now. So I want to give it a tight stop loss. So 103 could be it, my stop loss, or the top of that tail right there. I normally go to the solid area of the stock. Or you could
look at the first red bar for the reverse.
This one here. Yeah, you can. You could put your stop loss even there because if you look at it right now, there's a resistance area right at that area where it starts reversing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this showing me here, if Amazon is trying to come back up, this is going to be the resistance area for Amazon. And I could go right through it if it get any direction to the upside. Right now it's just sitting in between this area here. This is your trading channel right now. Here go your trading channel. Okay, this is Amazon trading channel here. Okay. This is it from here to here. This is what is happening. Okay. With VWAP in the middle of that, showing that as a support. Look at the VWAP support for that. So you're actually trading between the VWAP and the top at this 103.30, right? That's where you're trading. So two things could happen. Only two things could happen at this point, right? Breaking the VWAP because it hasn't break. That would be the trading channel to the downside. Look at it, VWAP. That's one. The next one is VWAP bounce and then over the top. That's your second. That's all Amazon is giving you right now. It's not giving you anything else. So you wait for one or the other. Depends on the direction of the stock. Okay, if the market start breaking down, Amazon will break down. This is your profit area. And anything over the top. Like me, I don't like to go over the top, but if the strength is in the stock going over the top, why not? as we demonstrated on Tesla earlier. Okay? You guys got one more? Um, A, B, and B. What are we looking for? Oh, wow. This is a nice one. We miss it right here, right now. 24. 24 breakdown. That was beautiful. Even the VWAP break was nice. To 24. Now it has to be 24, and then look at your support area down here. You're going to get about 70 cents out of this trade here if it keeps breaking down. Look at pre-market. This is pre-market here. Support resistant pre-market. No, you mean support, right? Yeah, next support because resistant becomes support now, right? So that was resistant at pre-market, and when it opened up this morning, right? And then break through that and went running. So on the way back down, that becomes support now. And if it breaks through that, boom, down. But look, here we have support here at 124. The other thing that could happen, same thing. But look at the same play on what we did before on the stock before, right? It's almost the same play, but this is reversed. This is, if you flip that stock over, this is reversed. Now, the VWAP is the resistant now, it's not the support. So only two plays you got on this stock now, on Airbnb. Break down, this is your profit window. Break back up, it's a VWAP breakout, right? Through the VWAP and higher, and then 2581 will be your target, right? But it needs the strength of the market and volume to push this stock higher. Right now it's weak. All right, so the only play I'll be looking for, either it goes sideways and down or just stays sideways until close. So you look for any one of those on Airbnb. Down, boom. That's what I would do. And then VWAP breakout. But it's weak. All right. And we out of the Tesla. You saw that Tesla trade was beautiful, huh? EMPH. Where was EMPH? And look at that, huh? Look at that. Boom. Now we create that now. So the next breakdown is what? 208, right? The market keep coming down, or we're going to use this area as the channel and go into the close, right? We set it up again. Over the gap close and go higher, or 208 to the short side. All right. Thank you guys on YouTube. Happy Friday to everybody out there. Okay. I see you guys back on Monday. Let's do it again. 251 trading days of 2023 with day number 62 straight. Follow me and follow my journey. Come join us in our Discord. The link is in the comment section. And okay. Enjoy your weekend. All right.